Today we are analyzing Theorem 4 of grade 11 and 12. The theorem says that the angles subtended by a chord on the same side of the chord are equal. Good morning everyone. Today we are analyzing Theorem 4 of grade 11 and 12. The theorem says that the angles subtended by a chord of the second on the same side of the chord are equal. So we are talking here today about the angles, and then they are subtended by what? A chord. In other words, it's the same chord, right? On the what? Of the second on the same side are what? Are equal. Those are the key ways that we should look on, okay? Right. So let us draw a chord here where we've got our circle. Let's try to draw a chord here, since we are all now familiar with the weight chord, right? So let's name our chord A and B, okay? So the statement says that the angles, which means they are more, it's not one angle, okay, subtended by a chord. So let's try to create that angle here from the chord to the same chord, right? So you can see this angle here, it's from this side of the chord until to the other side of the chord. So we're talking here about this angle. We're referring to this angle, okay? So since they said the angles, it means we can draw another angle from the same chord, subtending it here. So in this case we are referring to this angle. Can you see? It starts from the very same chord and comes back subtended by the very same chord here. So both angles are subtended by the very. So the statement says that those angles are equal. So now let's prove that if indeed the angles are equal. So we are given what? We are given A, B, C. We are given A, B. Okay, let's name this angle here C, and that one is D, right? We are given A, B, C, and D. They lie at the, okay, with center O. You can simply put it in that fashion, it's okay, right? So we are required to prove. What are we required to prove? We are required to prove that this angle is equal to that angle. We are required to prove that angle C is equals to angle D. Then after RTP, we go to what? Construction. We need to construct. On construction, we are going to join, or draw, this one is the same. We are going to join OA and OB. Okay, now let us do that. Here's our O. I'm going straight to A, and then after that I'll start from O to B. Is our O, and that is my B. We can name this O1 and O2. Let me do this so that everyone will be able to see. I can say O1 and O2, right? Okay. So from the previous theorem, pay attention here. From the previous theorem, we said that this is a center, right? So an angle at the center is double what? An angle at the circumference, if those angles are subtended by what? The same chord here. So when you look carefully here, you can see that the statements applies. Let's go together, okay? Let's check. This chord is subtending this angle at the center. It's subtending this angle here at the center, right? And then the very same chord again is subtending that angle at the circumference, right? Can you see? It's from the very same chord, right? So we know now that O1 is equals to twice angle D. Then we need to give a reason for that. We need to give a reason for that. The reason is that angle at center is equals to 2 times angle at circumference, right? Circumference, okay? So we go back to our drawing again and see which is which. So if you can check very well again, you can see, let's go from the very same chord and the very same chord subtending this angle here at the circumference. Can you see? From the very same chord again, it comes here and subtending angle C, right? So it means that O1 is equals to twice angle C. What is the reason? The reason is the same. The reason is the same. Angle at center is equals to 2 times angle at circumference, right? So listen very carefully. Let's play around with our statements here. You can see that O1 is equals to 2D. Again, the very same O1 is equals to 2c. Can you see that? So we can now say that because both of them are equal to O1, it means that 2, you see that, because they are equal to O1, both of them. So you can simply give a reason for that as well if you like. There's a reason. There is a reason. You can say that the reason is both of them are equal to what? O1. You'll get full marks for that. Now, we want to prove that angle C is equals to angle D. Okay? So, let's go. We've got 2D is equals to 2C. So let us divide by what? The coefficient both sides. So we are going to divide by 2 both sides. 2D divided by 2 is equals to 2C divided by 2. Right? Then now 2 will cancel 2. And again, this 2 will cancel that 2. So we will remain with the D is equals to C. Right? Proved. You can see that we are at the end of the story here, because you were required to prove that C is equals to D, and that's it. So for now, we are done. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you need a detailed lesson, please go to YouTube. Our page is Tutor Master. Then when you reach there, you just click subscribe, like, comment, and share.